Today we're doing cropping a landscape in Adobe Photoshop. So we'll have Adobe Photoshop open already on desktop. We'll go File, Open. I'll Control O for a shortcut. In my landscape folder, Cityscape. So this is a cityscape of Melbourne. Get it? So it's a bit more interesting. Crop up to there. That's basically with the bottom line on the horizon line. Move that over. We get rid of that wall. Move this over to the edge of the crane. Up there. Yeah. And I'll say that's the old one. That's the new one. That's the old one. That's the new one. Apply a filter to this. Adobe Camera Raw filter. Shift Control A. Making it a little bit warmer. So I'll take the green, put a little bit more purple in there. Going to up the exposure a bit. I'm also going to bring up the contrast. See if that goes down, but I'm going to take it up a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit more. And my highlights. Going to bring my highlights just a little bit. Bring my shadows down. Take my whites up, because there's not a lot of them, but it'll help just add a little bit more interest. Take my blacks down so we can get basically that feeling of a city in shadow. Scroll down. I want my texture probably a little bit soft, not too soft, just a little bit softer because it's after dusk. But then I'll take my clarity up a little bit. And then I'll dehaze it. And I might bring in some colour, a bit more colour. So bring that blue up a little bit. That's what I'm kind of after. And then a little bit more saturation. So if you take it away, it goes black and white, but the colours here work quite nicely. So I'll take the colour up a bit. Hit OK. So once again, Control Z. It looked like that. Control Z. Now it looks like that. I'll just hit my crop again. So as you can see, I've got my bottom rule of thirds bar just on the horizon line as far as we can see. But I'm also making sure I keep all of that building in. I'm lining that up with these two golden zones. I've got a gap here, so negative space over here with those two. Enter. There we are. That's our photo. Now we'll save that. Now File, Save As. Remember, always save as. Save as a copy. We'll change the name to Edited City JPEG. I'll save that. I always have it on 12 maximum because they're not big files. As you can see, it's only 7.7 meg, so not a huge file. So keep it about that. Hit OK. Saving it. So we close that, just close the window and it'll ask Save Changes and go no, because you've already got one. If we wanted to check that, we can File, Open, and it should be in there somewhere. So there we've got the original still and the new edited one.